Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. User input is an essential part of many Python applications, whether it's a web application, command line program, or desktop application. However, user input can be a security risk if not handled properly. Attackers can exploit vulnerabilities in your code by injecting malicious data. To prevent such vulnerabilities, it's crucial to sanitize user input. In this tutorial, we'll explore various techniques for sanitizing user input in Python, along with code examples to illustrate each method. We'll cover. Let's get started. Input validation ensures that user input meets certain criteria before it's processed. This is the most effective way to prevent malicious input from causing harm. In this example, we use a regular expression to validate the email format. You can create custom validation functions for various types of input, example URLs, phone numbers. Escaping user input involves encoding or escaping characters that have special meanings in your application context. This prevents malicious input from being interpreted as code or commands. This code snippet uses the HTML.escape function to escape HTML characters in user input, preventing potential cross-site scripting, XSS, attacks. There are libraries available that can handle input sanitization for you. These libraries are well maintained and provide robust protection against various types of attacks. Install the Bleach library first. Now, let's sanitize user input using Bleach. The Bleach library provides extensive functionality for cleaning HTML input, including whitelisting specific HTML tags and attributes. Sanitizing user input is a critical step in ensuring the security of your Python applications. Depending on your specific needs, you can choose from various techniques like input validation, escaping characters, or using specialized libraries. Always remember that input sanitization is just one part of a broader security strategy, and it's important to stay up to date with security best practices to protect your application from evolving threats. By following these practices and customizing them to your application's requirements, you can significantly reduce the risk of security vulnerabilities related to user input in your Python projects. ChatGPT.